is bots, that one mode. Bots that suck, and you cream their butts. But I'm not here to talk about Forza 5, I'm here to talk about my new channel. Now, I'm new to this stuff, so stop judging me.